In this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually use Amazon FBA revenue calculator. This gives you the clear idea how much you can actually make from a specific product, the estimate net profit of by selling a product on Amazon. So when you scroll down, you will have two options. You can either search the Amazon catalog to select the existing listing, or you can define the product from here. In this case, you gotta give all of the dimensions and the unit weight and everything. So I'm gonna go easy in this video. Let's do the first option, search Amazon catalog. We will select the AU Amazon store. Let's type any product like Nike maybe, and it will give you the bunch of existing listings. I'm gonna select this Nike shoes just to give you the clear idea how to break down the Amazon fees and charges, and at the end you can see the net profit of the product. So when you select the existing listing, you'll have two options, basically Amazon fulfillment, which is FBA, and the second option is your fulfillment, which is FBM, fulfillment by merchant or fulfillment by seller, whatever. So we're not gonna go to the second option. Obviously we are focusing on Amazon FBA, and it is recommended by most experts. If you wanted to start selling on Amazon, so go for Amazon FBA. It takes a lot of pressure from you because the Amazon does the shipping, packaging, and they'll handle with the customers basically. So when you selected the product, the item price is $59, you can see here. So the fulfillment charges are breakdown in some categories. The first thing is Amazon fees, which is $7.90 for this product. So this is divided in few other fees, which are referral fee, which is the Amazon referral fee, and fixed closing fee, which is zero if you have a professional account, and if you don't, if you are an individual seller, they'll charge you some fees, I reckon. And the second cost is fulfillment cost, because Amazon is obviously packaging and shipping to the customer. So this is FBA fulfillment fees. On the top of that, we have service add-ons. If you wanna select any other options like taping, labeling, or bagging, etc. And the last option we have here is storage cost, and it depends on the number of units you're gonna store in the Amazon warehouse inventory. So let's say I'm gonna store 10 units of these shoes, so they'll charge you storage cost per unit is $2.97, and this storage cost is also like it's different in the January to September period. And if you're looking at the peak period of time, which is October to December, they'll charge you more. You can see here $4.03. For January to September, they'll charge you $2.97, which is again a different thing. And the last option we have is other costs, which is the main thing. So here we have the actual cost. You gotta put the actual cost of the product. So let's say we buy this Nike shoes for $30, and miscellaneous cost is something you can consider if you are if you are storing 10 units. So divide this 10 units with the Amazon FBA fees, which is $40 USD. You can put the miscellaneous cost as well. In this case, I'm going to put only 0 for now. So after calculating all of this cost, we are making $7.96 as a net profit by selling these shoes. So hopefully understand this quick and easy breakdown of Amazon FBA revenue calculator. Good luck.